It has poured rain for days now. We have been stuck inside, enjoying some quiet time by the fire with maybe a glass or two of wine, and one of my beautiful kids has come to stay with us. Even though it's a bit crappy weather, we still have to go for walkies, of course. Maddie, my eldest, is here with us, who is avoiding the camera. We have so many different kinds of mushrooms, but these guys just popped up like in the last 24 hours. There's heaps of different kinds growing all around. This is the first time we've seen like a little mushroom explosion like this. We've got these ones growing on the side of the log here, and then like little tiny ones. Then there's this little guy.
Big chunk of quartz.
There's these little guys. And then there's this stuff that looks a bit like cauliflower or coral. There's these kind that are kind of frilly. And then these ones that definitely look like coral. Just so many different kinds have popped up over the last few weeks as the weather's... Oh, Kaiser, you nearly squashed that one. As the weather has gotten much more cold and damp. This little guy that's got like a shiny wet top, and then this one that has a frilly skirt. So many different ones. And then over here in the bark, lots of those little pokey up kind of ones again. So the stormy weather that we've been having today has brought some visitors tonight.
Don't film that giant pile of bottles.
2 frogs are just hanging out on the window on this side. Hey mate, you're on YouTube. And then he's got a little buddy. Oh no, where did his friend go? His friend has jumped away. But right beside him is a bogong moth. And then sorry, I probably stood up really quickly and spun the camera around way too quickly. Over here, I don't know if you...
Down in the corner, Mum.
Another bogong moth. Another one. People get mistaken and they think that bogong moths are these huge things, but they're actually the smaller ones. And I know that because I had a lesson on bogong moths. Oh, you can't see. With a Tangarang elder who taught us about bogong moths and the journey that his tribe would take at the time of the bogong moths. And he was saying everyone gets it a little bit wrong when they think they're the huge ones. They're actually these guys. There must be, so there's like 4 right there, 5, there's more down along there, and more up the side. Oh, there goes another one. There's Matt eating his dinner in the reflection. Here we go. So this is them from the outside. Now, a lot of you would have heard that I call Matt Moth, and I was saying to him there's only one moth allowed inside this house, and that's because they're a little bit creepy. Also, there's another frog here. Oh, dude. Look at him go. Hey, I think you're gonna get stuck in behind there, buddy.
Gonna drink, gonna drink. Go and get a drink. Want a drink? You need a drink?